Hey everybody, it's Eric from Zap Electric. Today I'm going to show you how to change a Decora three-way switch. This is a switch that controls one light fixture and it's switchable from two different locations. That's a three-way electrical system. So I'm going to go ahead and leave the power on, but anyone watching, go ahead, turn on your light, go turn off the circuit breaker for safety purposes. So first, of course, take off your cover plate. Remove your switch. Now the most important thing when changing a three-way switch, you're going to look at your switch. You see you have a brass, a dark switch, another brass over here. Whichever one is your dark or discolored, every three-way is going to have a different color. So you have two brass, one of the dark color. That's going to be your common. You're going to want to label this before disconnecting it, so you do not get that mixed up with one of your runners and or travelers. This is either going to be your power feed coming in or your switch leg going up to the light fixture. So you want to mark that first and foremost. The other two are just runners or travelers that go to your other switch that bounce the power back and forth so that you can control it from two different locations. A good rule of thumb before I disconnect this, you can just take a quick note. Oops. Draw a little diagram. Here's your dark, your other two. This is black. On the top you have another black, and then you have red going out. So you can have a little note, rule of thumb, so that you connect it correctly. To disconnect my common. Disconnect my two runners. Okay, so that's it. Now I'm going to install the new three-way switch. So you remembered, you marked your common here. This is going to go to the dark screw. Make sure it's nice and secure, give it a little tug. Now one of my runners and or travelers, I recall the black went to the top. Get that secure, give it a little tug, and my red goes to the other terminal. That in and secured. You see that there is a green ground screw. Switches do not require a ground connection, so do not be concerned about that. If there's no ground in your box, you don't have to worry about it. It is not a code or electrical issue. So we're going to go ahead and put the switch back in. I like to push it in a little bit before I screw it all the way in so that it does screw in evenly. Okay, and your three-way switch is in. I have a light here. You can show the light test my switch. That's perfect. I prefer to use Makita power tools. If you'd like to get discounts or purchase Makita or Klein hand tools, you can go to my website, thezappelectric.com, and I have discounts on all of these electric materials. But thank you for watching. If you'd like to see more do-it-yourself information, go ahead and subscribe to my channel or give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.